In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brand your Notion pages for clients in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing projects or designing a client-facing document, personalizing your Notion pages can make a huge difference. So, let's dive in and make an impactful presentation for your clients. First, you'll want to open up your Notion workspace that you use for organizing your wikis, documents, and projects. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personalized content. Next, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Use your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you should see the home page of Notion. This is your launching pad where all your Notion pages and projects reside. Now, from the Notion home, direct your attention to the section where you can access templates. Templates are a fantastic resource because they provide you with a structured outline that can save you time. Once you find the Templates section, click on it and browse through the available options. After selecting the Templates section, you should identify a clean template that fits the essence of your client's needs. Once you have chosen your template, go ahead and duplicate it. This action will create a copy that you can edit freely without altering the original template. A duplicated template gives you the flexibility to customize every part of the document to match your brand identity. Now that you have a duplicated template, it's time to add some branding at the top. This could be your client's logo, or a custom header that aligns with their branding guidelines. Adding this kind of brand-specific imagery right at the top not only personalizes the page, but also communicates professionalism and attention to detail. The next step is to incorporate an icon and a cover image to the page. Icons are great for visual identification and make the pages look lively and engaging. The cover image should also reflect the theme or the goal of the document you're creating. You can upload your own images or choose from Notion's gallery depending on what best represents the client's brand. And that's it. You've successfully branded a Notion page for a client. With these simple steps, you can transform a basic template into a custom, branded document. Remember to always keep your client's identity and style in mind when making these changes. This attention to detail will not only please your clients, but also showcase your capacity to deliver personalized, professional content. Thanks for watching and happy branding. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with someone who might also benefit from optimizing their Notion pages. See you next time.